place the knife at step 2. Front step. Stomach attack. Speed movement. Now the slow move. If you are here, punch will come here. If I am going to punch, the knife will come here. If I am going to take like this, it will come like this, attached with the body, the hand will come here. After that, the knife will come here. Then you have to be very clear. Slow movement. Here, the hand will come. Here you should be. Then elbow. Direct elbow. Pull hand up. Here. Kick here. Okay? Now the movement will be 1. After that, the 2 hands up. Left cross. Elbow. Pull. Throw. Hit. Okay? Thank you.